Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 1, video introductions. So what are we going to do in this assignment? Well, you know already. We're going to introduce ourselves via video. We're going to reach out to each other in cyberspace. Okay, let's survey this assignment. We have a video here, how to upload a video in a Canvas discussion, which you'll definitely need to watch if you have not uploaded a video to a Canvas discussion before. Scrolling down, we have a timeline, a discussion rubric, and an assignment purpose. We also have a part 1 and a part 2. Okay, let's go ahead and read the directions for part 1. In a video that is not more than 1 to 2 minutes, 60 to 120 seconds in length, answer the questions below. 1. Who am I? What's my major? And what are my plans for the future? 2. Do I like to read on my own? And if so, do I have a favorite writer or writers and particular genres that I like to read? And I have a definition of the word genres here. And I'm going to go ahead and give it to you informally in my own words. A genre is a category of writing such as science fiction, romance, fantasy. Okay, but you can click on this definition of the word. Let's go down to question 3. How important is the concept, the idea, the theme of pulchritude, which is immense physical beauty and appeal, to my life? How does it affect me? And this question here relates to our term paper in which we will be answering this question. So we're getting started on our term paper right away. Okay, let's look at part 2 right here. Respond to 2 peers' postings, either in writing or via a 30-second video. If you respond in writing, your response to each pair should total a minimum of 125 words, half a page. What should you say or write in your response? Compare your peers' answers to your own, how their thoughts are similar to or different from yours. Okay, let's scroll up to our links and let's click on the timeline first. So our timeline, post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you think you will not be able to meet this timeline, go over here to inbox in the left menu and let me know what's up and I'll do my best to help you. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow back into the assignment and I'm going to point out the discussion rubric here and I'm going to click on it. And the discussion rubric is how I grade your participation in a discussion. We want to earn the top grade of A, so you'll want to read this carefully. Okay, but I have descriptions of A, B, C, D, F, and again, we want to earn this grade. So this becomes very important to you. All right, I'm going to go back into our assignment, and I'm going to click on the assignment purpose. Why are we doing this assignment? Well, this assignment has a dual purpose. 1, to reassure you that you are not alone out there. In this English 102 class, you are part of a cyberspace community. I'm very active in the class, I promise you that, and I participate in all discussions. You'll never feel as if computer software is teaching you. I'm a real person out here, and I know you're a real person out there. Okay, our second purpose, to help you begin thinking about our term paper topic, the theme, the concept, the idea of pulchritude, great physical beauty and appeal in literature and in your life. All right, let's go back to our assignment here. And if you have any questions or concerns, I'm right here in the inbox. And no question or concern is too little, too unimportant. Everything's important. And you can email me as many times as you need to here until an assignment is clear to you. Okay, let's get going. Let's find out who we are.